Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect Roposo to your Odoo website. Before we start, it's important to be reminded that in this tutorial, we will be doing the connection using external APIs because Roposo does not have a direct connection to Odoo. With that in mind, let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. Next, click on the user profile icon which is found in the top right corner, and click on Preferences from the drop-down menu. Next, navigate to the Account Security tab within the Preferences, and then click on the New API Key button down here. You may be prompted to enter your Odoo password to confirm this action. Next, give a description for this new API key that you have generated. For example, the description will be Roposo integration. Then click on Save down here to save your changes. Or you can also click on Generate Key if that is what you have with your Odoo version or account. Next, just copy your generated key and store it securely somewhere. You will be using this generated key to authenticate requests from Roposo to Odoo API endpoints. To use the key for authentication, first download the Roposo application either from your App Store or from your Google Play Store. Then log in or sign in an account. When making API requests to Odoo, include the generated API key in the authorization header. The header should be formatted as this. Next, use Odoo's XMLRPC/2/object endpoint for specific functionalities that you need. And that is how you can connect Roposo to your Odoo website. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.